Key fob batteries are secured in plastic housings with a snap-fit design that holds the components together securely. To safely remove the battery, locate the designated pry point, a small notch, seam, or indentation on the fob's edge, often near the keyring attachment. Use a plastic pry tool or small flat screwdriver, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging the circuit board. Metal tools can cause scratches or electrical shorts, so opt for plastic whenever possible. For integrated designs, like those in newer Ford F-150 models, a guitar pick can be useful to avoid damaging rubber gaskets. Refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions. Avoid excessive force, which can break the housing and potentially void the warranty. When removing and replacing a key fob battery, polarity is crucial. The battery's positive side, marked with a plus sign or having a flat top, typically faces up in the fob. Incorrect orientation can cause malfunctions. Most key fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Ensure you are working in a dry environment and consider using ESD-safe gloves to prevent static damage. After replacing the battery, test the fob to ensure it's functioning correctly. Mechanics emphasize that polarity errors are a top mistake, affecting a significant number of key fob issues. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult a professional to avoid costly repairs.